Hey everybody, Abby Durbin here, marketing expert for the Huffaker Group of Keller Williams Realty, here with another tip on home maintenance. This month, we're here to talk about the benefits of having a smart home. A smart home refers to the convenient home setup where appliances and devices can be automatically controlled remotely using any device with a network connection. Smart home automation can add convenience, comfort, and peace of mind in your own home, and here's how. You are able to maximize home security. When you incorporate security and surveillance features into your smart home network, your home security can skyrocket. Another benefit to smart home automation is that you are able to manage all of your home devices from one place. Being able to keep all of your home devices connected through one interface is a huge convenience factor. Now, all you have to do is learn how to use one app on your smartphone or tablet, and you have access to all of the features and devices throughout your own home. If you would like more information on smart homes and their exciting benefits, contact our team today at 615-758-8886 or at thehuffakergroup.com.